is one corner of the greenhouse. As an experiment this year, I did corn. The idea was that if I planted it in February, we'd probably have a harvest by May, and then we wouldn't have to worry about cross-pollination. So I decided to do some of the corn in the greenhouse and see how well that works. So far it's been a royal flop, but I wanted to show you something else that I thought was highly amusing. The corn is inside toilet paper tubes, inside this wall of water. So I've got several different places here in the greenhouse that are in the same circumstances. Most of those walls of water are surrounding corn. But when I planted the corn, I used some of the soil from our garden. So this is what I got. Don't know how clearly you can see this, but you see the little green inside the toilet paper tube? It's all over the place. Those are seedling tomatoes that have volunteered themselves where I planted the corn. So there's more in this one. I don't know if you can see that. I'm trying to adjust the. Let's see if I can just get it closer. See? Seedling tomatoes where I planted the corn. I thought that was absolutely hysterical. I don't know if the corn is going to come up, but I have the same thing in that one over there. This is also, these are also, I can get it, can't see it, darn. You can see the little seedlings. Those are mostly tomatoes. Volunteers. I did not plant them. I thought that was entertaining. Talk to you later.